Lalit Bekal Resort is located around 350 kilometers from Bangalore, and the drive takes roughly 6 to 7 hours. This resort is nestled between the tranquil Nombili River and the Arabian Sea. Surrounded by lush greenery and serene lagoons, it offers the perfect environment for relaxation and rejuvenation. They have a strong focus on various Ayurvedic wellness and holistic healing programs. They have 38 luxury suites, each featuring a private jacuzzi and peaceful views of the lagoons or backwaters. The rooms are spacious, well maintained, and designed to create a calm and soothing atmosphere. Nombili is their multi-cuisine restaurant and the only dining option on the property. While the ambience is good, I felt the food could be improved as most of the dishes I tried lacked flavor. The swimming pool is beautifully designed and adds to the overall relaxing vibe of the property. The hospitality throughout the resort was warm and satisfying. Please subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful and want to see more similar content. The property features a 20,000 square feet Ayurvedic spa with 11 treatment rooms. They offer a variety of interesting Ayurvedic therapies and wellness programs. They have structured wellness programs like Swasthya Retreats, which are usually 7 to 28 days. They are focused on detox, weight management, and pain relief. They also have shorter programs called Reboot Escapes, which are usually 2 to 4 days. These programs are designed for quick rejuvenation, especially for guests dealing with stress or fatigue. Indoor games such as pool, carom, chess, and more are also available for guests who want to unwind indoors. They also provide outdoor activities like kayaking, boating, and fishing, which add to the experience, especially for nature lovers. The resort has direct access to the Bekal Beach. The beach is located a bit far from the rooms, and they offer buggy service for guests to make the beach easily accessible. The historic Bekal Fort is just a 15-minute drive away. Overall, I had a pleasant stay at the Lalit Bekal Resort. I was impressed by how well the property is maintained and the hospitality was consistently good. The food can definitely be improved, but the highlight of this resort is its Ayurvedic wellness programs. If you're someone looking for a luxurious wellness retreat, this is a great option. It's also ideal for anyone who simply wants to relax for a day or two in a peaceful setting. If you stayed at Lalit Bekal, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comment section. And if you're looking for more resort reviews, be sure to check out my other videos.